Hello and welcome to Speak English Podcast, where you learn real English for real life. I'm Christopher, and I'm so excited to be your host today. If you want to speak English confidently, naturally, and fluently in everyday situations, then this is the episode for you. We're talking about 50 of the most useful English phrases for daily conversations. These are phrases native speakers use all the time when they're greeting someone, making small talk, asking for help, or just chatting. And here's the best part. You'll understand every single one because I'll explain them in simple English. No subtitles needed. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe right now. We upload a new podcast every single day, and you won't want to miss out on daily tips to boost your English fluency. Let's jump right in. Section 1. Greetings starting conversations. Let's start with greetings and ways to start a conversation. These are useful anytime you meet someone. 1. Hey, what's up? This is a casual way to say hello. It's like saying, hi, what's going on with you? You can reply with something like, not much. You? 2. How's it going? This means, how are you? But it's more relaxed. Example, hey John, how's it going? Pretty good, thanks. 3. Long time no see. Use this when you haven't seen someone in a while. It's friendly and fun. 4. Nice to see you again. Polite, informal, great for work or meeting someone at an event. 5. What have you been up to? This means, what have you been doing lately? A great follow-up after saying hello. Section 2. Asking questions politely. Now let's look at phrases you can use when you want to ask something politely. 6. Can I ask you something? A gentle way to begin a question. 7. Do you have a minute? Use this at work or when someone looks busy. It shows respect for their time. 8. Could you help me out? A polite way to ask for help. 9. I'm just looking. Thanks. Use this when you're in a store and someone offers help, but you don't need it. 10. I'm not sure. When you don't know the answer, this is a simple and honest reply. Section 3. Making plans. Now let's move on to phrases used when making plans with someone. 11. Let's catch up soon. Catch up means to meet and talk about what's new. 12. Are you free this weekend? This is how you ask someone if they have time to meet or hang out. 13. Sounds good to me. This means you agree with the plan or idea. 14. Let's play it by ear. This means you don't want to make a firm plan. You'll decide later. 15. I'll get back to you. You're saying I'll think about it or check my schedule and I'll tell you later. Section 4. Expressing feelings and opinions. We often want to share how we feel. Here are some natural ways to do that. 16. I'm so tired today. Simple and honest. People will often respond with sympathy or ask why. 17. That sounds amazing. A positive way to react to good news or plans. 18. I'm not really into that. Use this when you want to say you're not interested, in a polite way. 19. That's not my thing. Another friendly way to say you don't enjoy something. 20. To be honest, this is a great way to begin when you want to say something real or serious. Section 5. Asking for clarification. Sometimes you don't hear or understand something clearly. These phrases will help. 21. What do you mean? This helps you ask for more explanation. 22. Can you say that again? Ask someone to repeat, especially if they spoke too fast. 23. Can you speak more slowly? A very helpful phrase for English learners. 24. I didn't catch that. This means you didn't hear or understand clearly. 25. How do you spell that? Use this when someone gives you a name or word you're not sure how to write. Section 6. Agreeing or disagreeing. Let's talk about phrases used when you want to give your opinion. 26. I think so. You're not 100% sure, but you believe it's true. 27. In my opinion, a respectful way to share your point of view. 28. I'm not sure about that. You're gently disagreeing. 29. That makes sense. You understand what someone said and it sounds reasonable. 30. I totally agree. This means you agree 100%. Section 7. Offering and receiving help. Here are some phrases used to offer or ask for help. 31. Do you need a hand? This means, do you need help? 32. Let me know if you need anything. A kind offer, especially in customer service or among friends. 33. Can you give me a hand? This is how you ask someone to help you with something. 34. I've got it, thanks. You're saying, I can handle it myself. 35. Appreciate it. Short for, I appreciate it. It's another way to say thank you. Section 8. Making small talk. These phrases help you have casual, everyday conversations. 36. Nice weather today, isn't it? A classic small talk topic. 37. Did you watch the game last night? Great for chatting with coworkers or friends. 38. What do you do? This means, what's your job? 39. Do you live around here? Perfect for starting a conversation with someone new. 40. That's interesting. A polite way to show interest in what someone is saying. Section 9. Ending a conversation. It's important to know how to end conversations naturally. 41. Anyway, I should get going. A polite way to wrap things up. 42. Let's talk soon. A friendly goodbye. 43. Take care. Warm and simple. 44. Have a good one. This means have a good day. 45. Catch you later. Very casual, friendly way to say goodbye. Section 10. Useful phrases for any situation. And finally, here are some phrases that can be used anytime, anywhere. 46. It happens. This means, don't worry, it's normal. 47. Better late than never. It's okay if something is late. It's still good it happened. 48. I can't believe it. Shows surprise. 49. That's awesome. Excited reaction. 50. Let's do it. You're ready to begin. Wow, that was a lot. But now you have 50 powerful phrases that you can start using today. Try practicing just 5 of them each day. Say them out loud. Use them in texts. Listen for them in movies or podcasts. And remember, the more you listen and speak, the more natural English will feel to you. Don't forget to subscribe right now. We upload new Speak English podcast episodes every single day. Whether it's vocabulary, grammar, expressions, or motivation, we've got you covered. Thanks for listening. I'm Christopher, And I'll be back tomorrow with another episode to help you speak English with confidence. Until next time, take care, keep practicing, and keep speaking English.